The world we live in is full of beautiful and vivid colors. Most of us know the calming colors of blue, the passionate reds that can make us mad, or the green hues that please the eyes. If you can see colors that most people do, and you don't have any apparent deficiency or power, congratulations! You are a so-called trichromat, 3 from Latin's 3, and chrome from Latin's color. Regular retinas contain 3 types of color receptors, or cone cells, which absorb the primary colors red, green, and blue. Through the combination of these 3 colors is how most people experience the world we live in. Each cone gives you the ability to see 100 different shades, and this number goes up exponentially. This means that trichromats are able to see around 1 million shades, a pretty amazing number. There are also dichromats, people who can only see 2 of the primary colors and are unable to see the third, protanopia for red, deuteranopia for green, and tritanopia for blue, as well as monochromats, a complete grayscale vision. We commonly refer to them as being colorblind, and they use special glasses that help them see colors we do. There is also a 4th group, tetrachromats, very rare and not very known, although it didn't always used to be like that. Tetrachromacy is a genetic mutation for people that have a 4th cone, which gives them the ability to see colors that most people are physically unable to, with their vision extending into the ultraviolet. Because they have a 4th cone, like we said before, they can see 100 million different shades. Where most people see a couple colors in objects, tetrachromats go through life seeing these ethereal colors and little shades that the regular eye would miss. Beside humans, a few animals possess this ability, such as the goldfish. But did you know that it used to be way more? Well, this interesting ability is very rare nowadays. What's even more interesting is that many animals allegedly used to be tetrachromats, but throughout the years, genetic mutation and evolution favoring one function over another, 1 or even 2 cones were lost for some reason only their evolution knows. And so they mostly became trichromats or dichromats. My guess is that having so many colors in the wilderness would have you killed because you wouldn't be able to see predators with their bright colors as easily, but don't quote me on that. Another interesting thing is that tetrachromats are made up of mostly women. Since the gene required for the cones comes from the X chromosome, this means that women have their chances doubled to have this ability. Of course, this doesn't rule men out as they have an X chromosome too, but there's not any mentions of male tetrachromats yet, so take that for what you will. To have a better chance in tetrachromacy, you'd have to also have the Klinefelter syndrome, and with both of these being rare cases, the chances are extremely low. Hopefully, this video blows up and causes some super rare tetrachromats to come out of their colorful woodworks. However, as cool as it is, life for many tetrachromats is not sunshine and rainbows. Because they're able to perceive colors and shades to an extremely precise degree, extremely colorful places, such as grocery stores, are an absolute nightmare. The eyes are very sensitive to so much going on at once, and just going to the end of a mall or being in an amusement park is enough to give them a headache. Ironically, many tetrachromats prefer the color white because of this, as it is the color that lets them relax a little. The painting on the left is created by a tetrachromat called Antico. Credit to the BBC article you can check out. To test if you are a tetrachromat, please answer the following. How many colors can you see on the picture on the right? Do both pictures look the same? Pause the video now and think of your answer. If your answer is no, I have to tell you this was a tricky question. Even if you are a tetrachromat, you can't test it like this. You have to be tested in a lab. Computer screens work in a trichromat way, presenting only RGB values in their most basic way. So the best you will see is through the eyes of a trichromat. But this is great news. It means you can use the computer without those color blasting headaches, especially since the internet is so full of colors. So the next time you want to rest your eyes from all the vivid colors, just look at a computer screen.
Explain, what do you mean?
I guess mom and dad lied again, huh?